Well, wait a minute, Alpesh, you're talking about stocks. Look, you're already invested in the stock market if you've got a pension, because where the heck do you think that money goes? The number of people who get shocked thinking the tooth fairy delivers them a pension return, it's not. It's overpaid, useless fund managers, and I've never met a good one, okay? Trust me, I went to university with some of them. They're the ones taking out the fee. So I want you to at least have the knowledge. That's all I'm saying. I'm not saying go out and speculate without knowing what you're doing, but at least have the knowledge to know where your pension money's been going. And you might say, well, I'm worried. I don't want to do it at an all-time high. Well, what that shows you is actually even at all-time highs, you still get a positive return. And if there is a market downturn, and personally I hope there is a bit, because the returns get even better. And that data is provided by a Nobel Prize-winning economist, a chap called Eugene Fama. Can take a picture, but as I said, I'll make sure I put it on my LinkedIn page as well. These